I'm Arun Annavarapu, and I'm representing Cisco. And I'm the Director of Product Management for Data Center Networking Group, and I manage the Nexus Dashboard suite of products. And today, we're going to talk about how big shifts in the industry are making data centers prepared for AI. We'll also talk about how Cisco is addressing those requirements and challenges with its end-to-end solutions. I'll briefly touch upon the operational readiness of what we can do with the AI networks, and then I'll hand it off to my partner here who'll talk about more of networking for AI. To begin with, I can't even get out of my room without hearing the word AI or seeing the word AI on any of the object that's sitting out there in the room. And better yet, I'm here talking about AI and contributing to that. The shifts in the AI world, starting from LLMs that we soon see it as obsolete, agentic applications, agentic AI, and then the inferencing at the edge, all these technologies are creating that AI continuum and demanding more of the infrastructure that supports that AI applications out there. The underlying infrastructure component, which is the key for connectivity, not just for traffic that is flowing within the data center, but also traffic that leaves the data center, is the network. So the AI network demand is such that you have scale-up networks and scale-out networks, which are front-ending the data center fabrics. And then we also have this new scale across network fabrics that are the new demand, where you're connecting cross geography of data centers together to serve those agentic AI applications that are serving users' needs. So the demand and the requirement on the network is that networking is no longer just a pipe. It needs to be available, it needs to be lossless, it needs to be high bandwidth. Most importantly, your GPU that you paid monies for should be better utilized. So the network problems will directly correlate to GPU utilization. So the network being available, resilient, reliable, and most importantly, secure is the key for having a great foundational architecture for AI infrastructure. What is Cisco doing to contribute to that infrastructure? With its end-to-end story starting from silicon to the hardware that supports with that silicon and the software that runs on it, along with the operating model that allows people to use Cisco products seamlessly, we are trying to provide that end-to-end solution, even with the optics that connect those hardware as well. I'll briefly touch upon the operating model for AI networks. The ability to provision your networks on day zero with 1 click, 2 click, 3 clicks of a button instead of going through pages of configuration. The ability to have visibility into that network you just deployed, using telemetry to do analytics and remediating issues, sometimes reactively, sometimes proactively, and then having that in a single pane of glass across your estates, whether it's scale out, scale across, or your front end or back end fabrics, is the key for success. Cisco has a couple of options and a couple of form factors to provide that end-to-end story for you. All of you have heard about Nexus Dashboard and its evolution of how it became a unified solution, allowing you to do provisioning, management, security infusion into the network fabric, as well as your analytics, is now able to manage with a single click of a button and configure your AI fabrics. My partner Paresh will go through more details about what it can do, but this is one available option and one form factor where in your on-premises network, Nexus Dashboard sits in the on-prem network. It also has the ability to sit in the cloud on AWS, but it allows you to manage your network from where your data center is. We have another option, which is the Hyperfabric AI, where if you want Cisco to do the management of that management software, hands off for you, we have the SaaS option of Hyperfabric AI, which does the same thing. Easy deployment of your AI fabric, easy visibility into the fabric, and easy remediation of problems that occur in the AI infrastructure layer. So a couple of form factors there for you to think about your operational models for AI infrastructure. It's not just these two elements. We also have something called as AI Canvas and, of course, Splunk, which are the higher order aggregation layers for sending traffic from Nexus Dashboard or Hyperfabric AI into those layers, do analytics across cross products, because these two products serve your cross product correlations and analytics use cases with AI. And it'll enable you to do faster troubleshooting, proactive insights, and give you that operational excellence that is required and demanding for AI infrastructure needs.